So I'm gonna make a window for some of you that don't have the version on your computers to have this Archimage. Yeah, it's no problem. Yeah, you can still make a window. So I'm gonna just delete this whole thing. Yeah, I just delete it cute. I'll just delete it cute. I'll come to the top view and I'm just gonna, you can add a plane. Yeah, a plane and a mesh, and we can work from here. So I'm just gonna scale it a little bit. I'm gonna grab and move it to the side so I can see away from the light and the camera. Then I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna subdivide this. Maybe I'm gonna give it 20 subdivisions. Yeah, we're making a small frame. Sorry about that. I'm just gonna select the faces and I'm going to delete those faces. Yeah, so we're gonna delete these faces and we're left with this frame. So you come here, we can do some thickness on it. This is very basic. Yeah, we're gonna extrude it and like say a little. I'm not working in scale, but if you're gonna be doing this, make sure you're in scale. So let's just do this brand new. I'm not gonna save this. I'm gonna come into the scenes. Let's do this right. I'm gonna leave metric the way it is. I'm gonna come into here. I'm gonna put millimeters. But since I'm doing this, yeah, we can do millimeters. But since I'm doing this object, yeah, just a window, you could do centimeters. Yeah. But I'm just gonna leave it millimeters. Yeah. Come on to the top. Go delete this cube. Go leave the stuff here. Again, plane and scale it. Oops, no, tava. No, grab it. Bring it here. Gonna subdivide this as many as you want, but make sure you can see these items, these little cubes. After that, you can modify things. So I'm gonna delete these faces. Go select this because I like select stuff, and I'm gonna extrude it. So if you can see, like right now, it's locked into the Z axis. But if it didn't, it will be all over the place. So I'm just gonna give it some little thickness, just tiny bit, with thickness. Then that's one frame. Yeah, and we could even make it smooth. So come here, we could make it smooth flat so the edges are nice. If you wanted to have the corners more curved, then you can bevel them. That's up to you. Yeah, whatever design you're trying to convey here. Then I'm happy with this. Yeah, then I'm going to get another plane and I'm gonna probably scale it. Yeah, you can see here, I'm gonna try to grab it and like see if I can scale it to the same size as this frame that I just created. Yeah, so that looks about right, but it doesn't have to be. So I'm gonna come in here, just gonna leave it there, and gonna grab it since I already scaled it and put it in here, and then we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna subdivide this by same 20, why not? Or it could be more, like let's say 30. Yeah, and your faces, and I'm gonna select just those. I'm gonna delete them, and I'm gonna select that. I'm gonna give some thickness, just a wee, even a wee little more. Gonna come to top view. That looks okay. I'm going to scale it down a little bit, and this looks all right. I think I'm gonna do shade smooth, or maybe do that one. Yeah, since it's gonna be the inner frame of this. Then I'm gonna get another one. I'm gonna get another plane, and we're gonna make this big, maybe around that size. Yeah, I'm gonna grab it right here. So this one basically is gonna be the one that's gonna be your glass. Yeah, so this one's gonna be, I mean, you could look into here and assign a material to this. So we could take the roughness off, and we could go on change it into glass, or we could come here and we could look for, like, say, material. We're up here, and not that one. We can just type glass, and it should give us a few different options. So I like this one, and this one looks cool. Yeah, and because I selected that, it changed, yeah, to that material. Yeah. So now I want to put this together. Yeah, so let's assemble this. So I'll probably need two of each, these two. If I wanted to make this double glazing, I'll probably need something smaller that could go, another frame that could go in between the glass, like say triple glazer, or a more like 4 or 5, you know. You probably need to have like a divider, little empty frame, in order to divide your glass, which will be that. So anyways, so I'm gonna just grab this and I'm gonna put it right here. You can see it's still pretty big, so I'll probably go there. Still, you can see pretty chunky. I should have subdivided it more, but I didn't, so it's okay. It's just for now. Yeah, now I'm going to duplicate this too. Yeah, and I'm going to rotate that one. So we'll rotate this. Yeah, I'm gonna come here, and I'm gonna grab my glass, and I'm going to basically just grab it and place it there. Yeah, I mean, I could have gone even more into details in adding like a, you know, like a path, so where the glass will sit right there, you know, but I didn't. I went kind of rough on it. So I'm grabbing this. I'm going to turn the snap on, and probably going to select that one and that one. Why not? That one too. Why not? And I'm gonna grab this bad boy and like put it here. And now, obviously, you can see that I didn't sort of rotate it right. Yeah, so I'm gonna go back, and I'm going to rotate this correctly. Yeah, so let's make sure it's like correct. Let's see if I did it right. 180. I should have done it way before better, but this is my bad. Yeah. It looks okay right now, but still gonna come to top. It does look okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna grab this, go put that mirror there. I'm gonna turn this off because I don't want it to be snapping with anything. Excuse me. We can make this mirror a little a glass smaller. Yeah. So it sits there in the little mini frame. And then I'm gonna grab this, and this time I will turn this on. And I'm gonna grab this and then put it there. Oh, I should have done something way before I duplicated those two frames by adding them color, right? I should have. So now what I could do is like I could grab them, right? Could grab the frames and give them color. Yeah. So let's say I wanted to be PVC. Yeah. Gonna give me different PVCs. I like that one. Gonna close in this. And I'm gonna grab the little frame and the little frame on this side. And let's say we're gonna give it, go again for PVC. Maybe a little more, less glossy. Let's see, matte, why not? And I'm just gonna select the whole thing and I'm gonna join it. And I'm going to set it up right. And I'm going to grab it and bring it up. And there you got your window. Yeah. You got a window. Yeah. You can do this. Yeah. If you wanted to make this chunky, I guess you could extrude it. No. But it's up to you. I suggest you do that at the beginning when you're making the window. Yeah. So this is a way that you can do a window. So I hope this was helpful. You can make it as any shape you want. Yeah. And make it fit it to your space.